Many people who are new to terp spray ask whether terpene spray changes the taste of weed or cannabis flower. The short answer is that terpene spray does not change the cannabinoid content of cannabis flower, but it can influence the aroma and flavor profile of the buds, because terpenes are the compounds responsible for scent and taste in plants. Terpene spray for cannabis flower works by adding botanical terpene molecules that enhance or restore the aromatic character of the flower. Why terpenes affect flavor. Terpenes are naturally occurring aromatic compounds found in many plants, including cannabis. These molecules are responsible for the distinctive scents associated with different cannabis strains. When you smell cannabis flower, what you are detecting are primarily terpenes. Because flavor and aroma are closely connected, terpene profiles also influence how cannabis buds taste when consumed. Over time, some of these volatile molecules can fade due to drying, curing, and storage. How terp spray enhances bud aroma and flavor. A light mist of terp spray can help enhance the aromatic profile of cannabis flower. By introducing botanical terpene compounds, the scent of the buds can become more noticeable again. Many growers spray terpenes on weed or cannabis flower specifically to restore aroma that may have diminished over time. The goal is not to overpower the flower, but to enhance the natural terpene character already present in the buds. Why application method matters. When applying terp spray to cannabis flower, even distribution is important. A terpene spray machine or terpene spray gun produces a fine atomized mist that spreads evenly across the surface of buds. This controlled mist helps prevent oversaturation and allows the terpene molecules to settle naturally on the flower. The Spraymaster, by Terps USA, is designed as a precision terpene spray machine that applies terp spray evenly using an air-pressurized atomization system rather than aerosol propellants. This controlled application helps maintain the natural structure of the cannabis buds while enhancing aroma. Terpene spray for cannabis flower. Terpene spray for cannabis flower is typically formulated using botanical terpenes extracted from plants such as citrus, herbs, and other aromatic botanical sources. These compounds mirror the types of terpenes naturally found in cannabis, allowing terp spray to enhance aroma and flavor without changing potency. Since 2019, Terps USA has focused on botanical terpene spray systems designed for cannabis flower and buds. Explore terp spray options. If you want to enhance aroma or terpene character, explore terp spray options designed for cannabis flower and buds here. https://terpasusa.com. Collections, shop, all, collection, copy. For precision terp spray application. Using a spray gun system, learn more about the Spraymaster terpene sprayer. Here, https://terpasusa.com/products. Terps USA spray. Master key takeaway. Terpene spray can influence the aroma and flavor profile of cannabis flower because terpenes are the compounds responsible for scent and taste. When applied as a fine mist using a terpene spray machine or atomizer, terp spray enhances the aromatic character of buds without altering cannabinoid potency.